OMG, y'all, I was really feeling myself in this wig right here, honey. If y'all want to see how I got this look and what all I used to get this wig to look like this, stay tuned. But honey, this wig was bomb, and I will show you guys how it looked before it turned out this way, so stay tuned. Okay, I went ahead and bleached the knots on this wig. And then I sprayed it with the lace tint and caramel. I don't know if y'all can see that. So that's how that looks. And this is the wig in its natural state right now. I haven't did anything to it. All right, so let's get into it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another bomb hair review. Y'all, this hair is from Cynosure Hair, and it comes in a little pink bag like this. Y'all, I got hair all in my mouth. Y'all, it's been a minute since I put a wig on my head, but y'all know during this quarantine, girl, I ain't had nothing else to do. But anyway, the wig comes in a little baggie like this, and this is a 24-inch body wave wig. It came with this. It also came with some wig caps. I put one on my head already, the one that's up under this wig coming out. And it comes with this brochure showing you how to care for the hair, and you know what I'm saying, some of their customer reviews and what's not 100% human hair, it says. And it shows in here all the different types of hair, bundles, everything you can get. So I thought that was cute. And it shows the feedback and how to care for the hair. But y'all, it still came with a cute pair of lashes too. I thought that was really sweet of them to send a pair of lashes. So you will get this in your package. And y'all, this was very easy to install. I didn't do a video on how to install because I'm not a professional, honey. And I know I could be a little ratchet when it comes to installing hair. But I am going to flat iron my hair while I'm up here to show you guys that it does straighten very well. What I did was I'll put in this video, show you where how the hair looked in its natural state before I even put it on my head. All I did was bleach the knots and bleach the knots. I did tone the knots because I didn't have purple shampoo. So what I did, I used the T18 because sometimes when you bleach the knots, it do get kind of orange, girl, and I'm not with that orange look, baby. Even though I probably over bleached it a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see that in my part, because back there, I feel like when you go back on your frontal and try to bleach back there, it gets a little tough trying to bleach. But y'all, this hair is super soft, and like I said, it is 24 inches, but this was an easy wig to install. I did use boho glue or whatever, and I kind of just combed it over to the side. Only thing I did was put mousse on my hair to, you know, comb it over to the side, but I did glue the front down and just mousse it. I didn't do any plucking. I mean, I wanted to, and I feel like I should, but I feel like this is okay for a little side part. It's nothing too major, you know what I'm saying? I did over bleach right here. That's giving me bald spot vibes, but anyway, I'm gonna have to put a little black dye right there because I started cooking, and baby, I forgot this mug was even bleaching. Sorry. But anyway, y'all, hair super soft. I did kind of run the blow dry through it. I let it air dry and then I ran my little blow dryer through it a little bit. So it's still kind of in its natural state, but I wanted to keep it like this. But I will, what I am gonna do is bump the hair, because I did want to do that, because I want it to be kind of a little straight tomorrow. So I did plug up my flat iron just to straighten it out just a little bit. I like hair in its natural state for the most part, but for video purposes, I will straighten it. I do not have my flat iron on high. I keep it on low, because I don't want it bone straight. I just want it to be, you know, just a little straight, but it does straighten very well. Ooh, okay. I don't know, I might need this straight. Oh, girl, that was giving me Aaliyah vibes right there, girl. I thought I was somebody. Are you that somebody? But y'all, this is a frontal wig. It is not a full lace wig. It is just a lace frontal wig. And what that means is it's not a full lace. It's not lace all the way through. It's just lace in the front. And I don't mind that, because I do not wear my hair up in a ponytail, and I don't do far back parts and stuff. So that's another thing that you don't have to worry about when it comes to this wig. Is very easy to straighten, even if you don't have it on high like me, because baby, I don't want no bone straight hair. I want it to have a little, I don't know, just a little. It is body wave, so I feel like if I pick body wave hair, I want it to be body wave, or at least not even body wave, just have some type of texture to it, to me. Because if I want just straight hair, I leave it. I mean, I would order a straight wig, and baby, I don't want that. So I just want to pass my flat iron through it just a couple times. So tomorrow, when I go back home to visit my mom and stuff and see my homegirls and whatnot back home, that my hair will already be dead. But y'all, I did not get a lot of shedding with this hair. This hair was just super easy, and I haven't did my hair in a wig in so long, y'all, that I was kind of surprised, honey, because I ain't know if I remembered how to put no wig on. But girl, I'm tired of being in here on quarantine looking ugly, honey. I feel like it's time for me to be cute. Cute boots. Okay? I hate having my hair to the side though, because it make your eyelash all janky and whatnot. But y'all, how y'all doing through this quarantine? How's everybody doing, honey? Y'all, all you got to do is pass it through this hair. Look at it. Oh, honey, let me just bump this real quick. Y'all, like I said, and this is super long for a 28 inch, because I feel like this hair is long. It go, I'm gonna show you how far it goes, but it goes like to my butt. So, but I am 5'4". So if you short or shorter than me, it's gonna be super long on you. But y'all, I just wanted to run my hair through this. I don't want no like a bone straight situation. I just want it to just put a little heat on it. Okay. Ooh, girl. Hold on. Look at that. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me get up here. Okay. You see this hair goes, oh, it goes past almost, it stops about right here on my butt. So, yeah. Excuse me, I'm getting thick during this quarantine, if you know what I mean. Oh, y'all. But I want to come out of quarantine looking fine, y'all. So I have been doing my workouts. But y'all, let me bring all the hair to the front. Hair is gorgeous. I love it. I have no complaints about this hair. It did not shed. Hairline, I love. If you're really good at installing hair, or you know somebody that is good, I think this wig will be a super easy install. I didn't have any problems bleaching knots. I did over bleach, but still, hair still beautiful. Look at it. Oh, girl. Girl. Oh, girl, got me feeling like somebody. And y'all seen how I passed through this hair. That's all I did. So from its natural state to this, and my curling iron is on super low, so, and it still got me straight. So I can only imagine if this was a super high, like if you had your flat irons on super high. But that is it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I have new videos coming soon, y'all. I just been all over the place, you know what I'm saying? I've been moving furniture and stuff in my new apartment. I just been doing a lot, y'all. So let me know what type of videos you would like to see during this quarantine, honey. But right now, girl, I feel like I'm popping, girl. I can't even stop running my hands through this damn hair. But y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Peace, and everything you need to know about this hair will be in the description box. Everything, I'll tag all the and put all the links in the description box from this company. And like I said, this is a frontal wig, and it is 24 inches, and it is a body wave, and I just straightened it. It had beautiful curls before I went to carry it on and blow drying it and whatnot, so you could still leave it in that state. But as you can see, the hair does straighten very well, and it's no shedding, nothing. So see you guys in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Love you.